ASUS Vivobook 15 series is one of the best bang for bucks mainstream laptops that not only ideal for students, but as well as for everyday use. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fastway episode 71. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Today we are looking at a premium AMD 5000 series powered laptop from ASUS, the ASUS Vivobook 15X OLED M1503. It's a world-leading 15.6-inch, 2.8K, 120Hz OLED laptop and offer a high 0.2 millisecond response time. The ASUS Vivobook 15X OLED is well built with polished chamfered edges. The quiet blue colors has a matte finishing that looks like matte black at a certain angle. It has a minimalist design with only the ASUS Vivobook's logo on its back cover. This 15.6-inch laptop weighs at just 1.7 kg. The display bezels are pretty narrow and offer a screen-to-body ratios of 86%. It has a physical webcam privacy shield for instant privacy guard. It also features a lay-flat hinge that makes it easy to share and collaborate with a group of people around a table. Because it's a 15-inch laptop, it can accommodate a keyboard with a numeric key. It's a backlit chiclet full-size keyboard with 0.2mm dish keycaps and a long 1.4mm key travels. It gives pretty good tactile feedback and a comfortable typing experience. The keyboard surface also receives a special treatment that keeps the bugs at bay and has scientifically proven to inhibit the growth of bacteria by more than 99% over 24 hours. On the trackpad, it has a built-in fingerprint sensor that supports window halos for easier and faster lock-in. There's a single USB 2.0 on the left, while on the right side, there's a barrel charger port, a HDMI 1.4, two USB-A 3.2 Gen 1, a USB-C 3.2 Gen 1, and a 3.5mm combo audio port. Unfortunately, the USB-C does not support display or power delivery. It features advanced Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. Now let's address the elephants in the room, the brilliant and smooth 120Hz ASUS OLED display. The ASUS Vivobook 15X OLED sports a 16.9 aspect ratio display with a 2080 by 1620 resolutions. The panel has a peak brightness of 550 nits, high color accuracy with delta E less than 2, 100% DCI P3 color gamuts, Pantone validated, VESA certified display, HDR True Black 500, and TUV Rylance certified for low blue light emissions. With the excellent and advanced display, ASUS allows you to switch the display color gamuts for different use, sRGB for creating web contents or browsing, DCI P3 for cinema contents, or P3 for movie-grade color editing. The ASUS Vivobook 15X OLED is the world-leading laptop to offer a 15.6-inch OLED with 120Hz refresh rate and 0.2 millisecond pixel response time. This enables us to see fast-moving visuals, look incredibly smooth, and without blur motions. These expensive features is usually offered to premium laptops, while the ASUS Vivobook 15X OLED price starts at just Rm3299. Under the hood is the AMD Ryzen 5 5600H or Ryzen 7 5800H coupled with AMD Radeon RX Vega graphics. It may only come with 8GB of DDR4 memory. It also has an expansion memory slot for you to upgrade. As for the storage, it comes with a 512GB Intel 670p NVMe PCIe SSD. The review unit that I have here is powered by AMD Ryzen 5 5600H. It performs fairly well and is sufficient for most everyday productivity tasks. It can even handle photos and videos editing projects. There's no dedicated graphics card and uses the integrated Radeon RX Vega 7 graphics. It's not designed for AAA games, but it's still capable to run less graphic intense games like CSGO and Dota 2 at low or medium setting. Here are the synthetic benchmark results. It managed to score about 6 to 7 hours of productivity usage from the 70 working hours battery. The 90-watt power bricks can charge this laptop from 0% to 100% in under 100 minutes. If you're looking for an everyday use or a laptop for uni or college, the ASUS Vivobook 15X OLED is a great option. Even the Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021 is preloaded, so you don't have to spend extra to get them. The big 15.6-inch display is not only bright and brilliant, but it also offers a smoother than ever experience with the 120Hz refresh rate display. There's a lot to praise, especially the reasonable price tags for what it offers, but there are a few things that I would nitpick, like the non-support of power delivery and only 8GB of memory, which isn't enough to unlock its full potential. But of course, you're still able to do the upgrade manually. A written review of this laptop will be available on my website. The link will be in the description box. That's all from me on the ASUS Vivobook 15X OLED. If you need questions, do leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, take care, and I'll see you at the next one.